In today's video, I am going to teach you how to lock column width in Excel. If you have ever shared a worksheet with others, you may have noticed that small layout changes can happen very easily. A person can resize a column, and suddenly your spreadsheet no longer looks the way you intended. By locking the column width, you can help keep the structure consistent. To begin, open the Excel workbook that contains the sheet you want to protect. Make sure you are on the Worksheet tab you plan to lock. Spend a moment looking at your layout and confirm which columns you want to stay the same. This is a good moment to check, because once the protection is applied, the worksheet will behave differently for editing. Next, click the Review tab on the ribbon. The ribbon is the bar at the top of Excel, where you see commands grouped by tabs. The Review tab is where Excel places tools related to protecting and reviewing worksheets. As soon as you switch to the Review tab, you will see a group of options for protection, including the command we need. Now, in the Protect group, click Protect Sheet. This will open a small dialog box that controls sheet protection settings. You will use this dialog to decide exactly what users are allowed to do after protection is turned on. Take a moment to read what appears in the dialog, so you understand what Excel is about to protect and what it will allow. After the Protect Sheet dialog appears, look through the options and find the checkbox labeled Format Columns. Uncheck the Format Columns box. This setting is the key part of locking column width. When Format Columns is unchecked, users will not be able to change the width of columns. That means they cannot drag column boundaries to resize, and your carefully planned column layout stays intact. As you uncheck Format Columns, it helps to understand what Excel is doing behind the scenes. Excel Sheet Protection does not automatically lock layout changes. You must specify which formatting actions are blocked. By disabling Format Columns, you tell Excel that column sizing should be locked, while other permissions follow the remaining settings in the dialog. Finally, click OK. When you click OK, Excel applies the protection to the sheet using the settings you just adjusted. Depending on your Excel configuration, you might be prompted for additional confirmation. If a prompt appears, follow what is shown on the screen based on your workbook settings, but the main logic remains the same. You are applying protection while specifically preventing column formatting. After protection is enabled, test the behavior on the sheet. Try resizing a column using the normal method, such as dragging the boundary between column letters. With Format Columns unchecked, Excel should stop you from making that change. You will see that the column width stays fixed, which helps maintain the design and readability of your spreadsheet. That is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.